Trying to work his way past Neto. He tried to get up, you. He tried to take Iwobi out. Play goes on. Header back. Yeah! Oh yes! Come on!
He is down. Let us have a closer look at instant replay. Not only just self-sacrifice on this play, but sacrificing future generations as well. Obviously going all out.
But England trying to claim it as a goal. The cheats that they are. Here's the replay. The shot, the ball did not cross the line. Look at that. It couldn't be more obvious.
La perde Teo, no, ma no, era palla no, un bell'angolo di Ale Flore, colpo di testa, palla lì, Okafor, gol, ha segnato Okafor, no, Okafor, Lugola,
جابرييل مارتينيلي راح زاد في السرعة. جابرييل يا جابرييل يا جابرييل يا مارتينيلي.